The wait is over. The whole of Kerala's prayers were heard. The most awaited verdict. The important information comes out that the accused, the heartless monster, has been sentenced to death. The 28-year-old Ashfaq Alam, the accused in the case of brutally torturing and killing a 5-year-old girl, has been sentenced to death. The prosecution was able to prove all the charges levelled against the accused. Let's check the details. This is Krishnendu Nair. The Ernakulam POCSO Court pronounced the verdict in the Aluva child rape and murder case today. The accused, Bihar native Ashfaq Alam, is awarded capital punishment for his crimes by Special Protection of Children from Sexual Offences or POCSO Court Judge K Soman. The prosecution was able to prove all the charges levelled against Ashfaq. The prosecution's contention is that the accused should be given the death penalty. Ernakulam POCSO Court found Ashfaq Alam guilty in 13 sections. According to reports, the judge opined that Alam did not deserve any leniency. The sentencing happened on the 110th day since the incident in the case. The court has also examined the report whether the accused is likely to repent. The sentence is also taken into account. Ashfaq Alam, the 28-year-old migrant labourer from Bihar who allegedly sexually assaulted and murdered 5-year-old girl in Kerala's Aluva, committed the crime alone. The 5-year-old girl, the second child of Bihari migrant parents living in Aluva, was found dead in a sack in a garbage dump behind the Aluva market on 29th of July. It is also special that the punishment is announced on Children's Day and the day POCSO Act came into force in the country. The court upheld 13 charges including murder, kidnapping, torture, disrespecting the dead body and destroying evidence. The prosecution urged that the case comes under the rarest of rare category and therefore the highest punishment of the land should be given to the convict. The defense, on the other hand, cited the age of the convict and possibility of his reformation as reasons for lesser sentence. The prosecutor said. However, the court agreed the prosecution and awarded the accused with capital punishment, the highest punishment in the land. The charge sheet in the case pertaining to the incident that happened on July 28 was issued on the 35th day. The trial began 2 months later and the proceedings were completed in 26 days. The girl was abducted, brutally raped and killed by a migrant worker from Bihar who lived in the same building as the victim. Her body was found dumped in a sack in a marshy area behind a local market in Aluva. 16 charges were levied against Ashfaq Alam under various provisions of the POCSO Act and the IPC, including aggravated penetrative sexual assault, rape and murder. These included sections 302 murder, 376 rape, 377 unnatural sex, 328 hurt by use of poison, 364 kidnapping for murder, 366A procuration of minor girl, 367 kidnapping for causing grievous hurt, 297 indignity to human corpus and 201 disappearance of evidence of the Indian Penal Code. Further, he was also punished for offences under 3 subsections of Section 5, penetrative sexual assault of the POCSO Act and Section 77, giving intoxicating liquor of the Juvenile Justice Act. The death sentence imposed on Alam was for the offence of murder, whereas he was sentenced to life imprisonment for the offences under the POCSO Act. For hiding evidence, he was also sentenced to 5 years of imprisonment. The Ernakulam court had begun hearing the matter on September 7. Charges were framed and read over to the accused on September 16, following which the matter was heard from October 4 onwards. Ashfaq Alam was earlier involved in a POCSO case in Delhi and had come to Kerala after getting bail for the earlier case.